Ireland is literally the latest they've ever been on a test, other than when CKW2000 is off the air. So when CKW2000 came back on the air, it tested 1154. It's still yet to go. About time.
Tuesday night, partly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. This is the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio.
Well, that was anticlimactic.
On the test of the weather radio station was XM, 69 of Wave, Ohio, public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day.
What he done?
Reception of this broadcast, and especially the one on show, will vary significant locations, the wind variability. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station with XM 69 of Wave, Ohio. This is the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station KJY, 68 Chillicothe, Ohio, public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the one-to-one tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The one-to-one tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Fairfield, Fayette, Hocking, Jackson, Tippaway, Pike, Ross, and Biffin. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KJY, 68 Chillicothe, Ohio.
Alright. That was kind of way one for the test, but probably because several of the ones that are normally in were out today. So, let's go over them. J110's battery died on me right at the test time. 74210 failed. Tech America went off. WR8000 went off. 259 went off. WX07 failed. Nothing new there over here. Jensen went off. K388 went off. WX67 went off. ER10 went off. I'm not sure when weekly test got turned off, because I had that on for the longest time. HH went off, 249 went off, 140 failed again, 250 went off, CKW2000 went off and then false decoded the EOMs as an unrecognized message. Zone Guard Plus failed, 996 went off, 262 failed because I was in the room, and yeah, this guy was not on. So yeah,